It's not every day we get the opportunity to swap out one of these aftermarket grills with one of our pro grills. This one has a custom, like, dude, this must be over a 1/4 inch thick worth of metal. Has the TSS sensor behind it, and obviously it's not working. So in this video, you're gonna see us pull this thing out, see the damage that it can do to a shroud, and then swap in a pro grill that is actually plastic like the shroud so that it expands and shrinks the same way. Super easy to get started. Pop the hood. There are going to be some custom pieces on this that your grill might not have, so follow along. If it fits for your needs, great, follow along. If not, the biggest part that you're going to get out of this video is we do not recommend using a metal grill in a plastic shroud, because we're probably going to find some cracks in the plastic somewhere in this thing. So let's go ahead and get started. Come over here, these are 8s. It's nice hardware. We're gonna do the TSS sensor. Boop. No wonder it needed Loctite. This thing weighs like 40 pounds. Welcome to my surgery room. Oh. Broke.
So,
well,
you know me, I'm always curious about looking at this stuff's built.
I know.
She said it was a nightmare.
I once, like, a metal bridge and then in the shower.
Jeez.
Which is gonna be cool. I didn't paint it there.
Questions about it. They're just tough. You can tighten them down, they're heavier. Like crook-eyed ones over here on the end. Jeez. Gosh, dude. Oh. Jeez. We're gonna need to perform some surgery. We're gonna perform some surgery, because we want the Laura's grill to be very nice. We're going to these guys. This is a plastic welder, and it basically makes the element hot, melts through the plastic, gives it structure again like that, and you can add on a few of them. Then you go back through, cover your eyes. Then this is the stuff that I always add on for projects like this. This is called CA glue. It's a very, very strong glue that you get this stuff on your finger and catch me over in the corner just trying to like bite it off like a chipmunk, bro. Ain't good. Very strong, works very well. Okay, let's do these ones. Probably not in my best interest to just willingly inhale that.
Hey,
You have to
this
watch.
is how you fix it if it's broken. 12 to 15.
If Alora wasn't one of the most important people in my life, I would not be doing this shit.
I don't know
What is that?
what was there. Brandon opened it because he thought it was something for the Yep.
Oh, really? What's up, dog?
I'm not supposed to darn this on first before.
Okay. Crack. And then crack. It's probably one of the better fitting ones I've seen, but still, I mean, you can see that it destroyed a large amount. Quite a few fittings.
You brought that in.
Yeah, yeah.
That glue.
That glue, dude, is crazy strong.
You breathe enough in there, it's gonna seal your lungs.
I know enough about that. I ain't moving.
Yeah, I know nothing about that.
Walked in there with no mask on. Bro, I got you. This guy's making it harder. I got you, bro.
I haven't done one of these in a while. 5 minutes later.
5 minutes.
No, these always got to get cut off. That's what Marcus does them, bro. Marcus like has all the right techniques.
Dude, he taught me with hitting the top of the screwdriver with a hammer.
That's what I'm saying, bro.
No, you just lean into it, boom, pop out.
Oh. Lean with it, drop with it. What goes after that?
I think that's all it just says.
Oh, is that it? Nice. Okay. And then there's Bob, which we named. This is a custom tool. Don't look at it.
It's been patented.
It may or may not be a 10 mil on a screwdriver. Just enough to spread over. There we go. Rock it back and forth. Gets those tabs on. These are locked in. Now what we're gonna do is transition to her grill. This thing's crazy. Okay. Oh man, I think they lost her frickin'. They lost her special garnish nuts. Jeez. It's nice as this thing can only go on one way. Now the only problem is we don't have those bolts no more. I'm gonna have to go search for some. I feel like we always show you guys the pretty way of mounting everything. And sometimes you just don't want to spend $25 on some special nuts to make sure these things stick the way. So we got some large washers, bolts that come up through. We held them from behind and added a flange nut, and then just a drop of glue to make sure that those things aren't coming off. I think that's pretty dang good. Okay. Now that we're this far, now we're gonna transition the broken shroud to the Pro Grill. Most dank install I've seen in my life. But guess what? Not every install goes perfectly. Good thing is everything clipped in really well. I love it when a plan comes together. Oh! Oh! Hell yeah. Come on, brother. Let's put this back in. Oh, okay. Well, you know what we need to do? We need to first, and I just have a feeling this grill was not treated nicely in its previous life. How are we looking?
How'd she look?
Way better.
Oh!
Oh, baby! Let's go! Okay. Now we're going back through and adding our fancy ass bolts.
Custom bracket mounts? Everything.
You can't make this and normally it's just a freaking clip. Oh, I said the one thing you don't want to do is drop that nut. Good. Now that we got that one. Not every install is perfect, especially when you buy a pre-modified vehicle. The likelihood of being unperfect is almost way higher than it being perfect. Actually, it's almost guaranteed. I'm gonna say it's guaranteed. But there's some good parts on this truck. We got King shocks. Whoever owned this truck, which if you know the owner, we have a weird, funny suspicion that the rear is re-geared, but the front is not. And that, my friends, is an install I don't wish to do again anytime soon. Come back over here, we put in this clip and this clip, toss back in the sensor. Goes right there. Okay. Now we're gonna wrap it up. Make sure to remove your tools. There's one last thing in the middle that we're gonna take care of after the fact because. But this is our Pro Grill. So if you're wondering if you can convert from some metal aftermarket grill back into a Pro Grill, you can. You might have to use a plastic welder on the backside to reconstruct or create more structure for this thing to come into, because now it's good, but prior, I don't know if that would have been guaranteed. What's nice is our grill is TSS compatible. You can add Raptor lights, and you can also add the assorted letters in the middle that will also come with the grill. So if you guys have any questions about our Pro Grill, shoot us an email, leave us comments. This is not the official install. This is just the install video. If you're going from a metal grill, have to do some reconstructive surgery to be able to fit a Pro Grill back into it. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. Like, leave a comment. What did you guys think of that previous grill? Would you take that one or would you take a Pro Grill? Let me know in the comments down below, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.